document you have? You have no document. Bring the document.
We have documents and everything has been submitted.
Excuse me, I'm the minister. You cannot tell me. You cannot tell me that. We cannot continue to add in this impurity. Where the approval even to people. You cannot continue this way. This country cannot continue along this line. How can that man at his level, even if he has a problem, he cannot reach me and say, look, I'm sorry, see what I have. You will send soldiers to intimidate who? We are all from this country. And this is government. You cannot be higher than any government. You cannot be carrying guns to intimidate people to not to do their work. Let me tell you, if not God was the first staff who spoke to me now, you could have killed everybody here. No problem. I'm not one of those that they can intimidate.
On the contrary,
I'm doing my job.
We are not intimidating anybody.
That's what you're doing.
The civilian, the engineer mobilized to site, and then staff or workers of SCDA look at it.
No, listen now.
That is threatening them. And that was when the admiral gave the order.
He cannot give order against government.
Because the papers are complete and he said it's submitted.
Are you the one? Listen, you know the problem you have. Are you the one that will say paper? What will show me that you are? First of all, show me that government gave you this place. Two, show me that you have an approval to build what you are building. It has nothing to do with I'm a vice admiral, I'm a lieutenant general. That is not it. We must work according to law. We must work according to law.
Yes,
to who?
No, you don't tell like this. Don't tell like this.
Don't you try it.
Don't tell me this. Keep quiet.
Look at me, I'm lying. I am a small boy, but the commission of planning can never very
You cannot say
just to come and prevent
How do I press him? How do I press him? This is not professional. It's not professional. You can't be pressing the minister for this thing. We have seen it's okay.
from demolition is property.
it doesn't matter. It
That's
doesn't
all that
matter.
matters. I'm an offside, take to orders.
So what? You had a who? Than me.
So I'm an offside, take to orders.
So that you take
Of
the
a
camera.
3-star general.
Okay.
I can't say no. That means
You
I'm
can
not
never
offside.
develop this property. I will not allow it.
No problem, sir.
You are
I'm
gonna-
only acting on my
if
orders.
you want to
as
kill
an
everybody,
officer.
kill everybody.
We will not kill
You
anybody,
cannot.
sir. We will not. We will not kill anybody, sir.
You put yourself in trouble.
We'll not.
My friend, you see,
What is that?
You cannot shut me up. You cannot shut me up. You are my senior. You cannot even talk when I'm talking. Because
I have to reach you.
you're only that way. I'll be talking and policemen will be talking.
hey, you are taking with us. We don't have any.
I'm not to carry security to intimidate because you're an officer. Nobody does that.
We did not carry anybody.
The man took this Arab, we will not allow because he was chief of officer, and then for you to carry land.
Sir, everything was acquired legally.
Will you stop
sir,
that?
You get the
Will you stop that?
Sir, I'm an officer, I have integrity.
Shut up, your mouth, put
Sir, I
yourself.
will not shut up.
Will you get out?
Sir, I won't shut up. Sir, I'm a
I
commissioner,
was in
sir.
school, you're not in school.
Sir, you can't shut
Will
me
you
up.
keep quiet?
You can't
You're a
shut me
big
up, sir.
fool.
I'm not a
You're a big fool.
I'm not a
You
fool,
think you
sir.
can shoot anybody like that?
Sir, I'm not
You're
a
a big
fool.
fool. Who are you?
I am not a fool, sir.
As at the time I
Don't call me a
graduated,
fool.
you were in primary school.
I'm acting on orders.
Take for
You
which
can't
order?
call me a fool.
And this, you will see whether you will not live here.
Sir, you can't call me a fool.
Go
I'm
and
not a
develop your
fool.
mind,
I'm an officer.
develop
I'm not a fool, sir.
Okay,
I'm
I
an
will
officer.
talk about that. You would have killed everybody here.
No, we won't kill anybody. We won't kill anybody. We are acting on orders.
Go and develop. Go and develop here. Let me see you.
Regular officer, you want to come and complain?
We are going to get out.
I'm not even seeing what is recording. Hello, sir.
Director press.